Early in the morning on April 26, the U.S. Air Force conducted an operational test launch of an unarmed Minuteman III ballistic missile. The test used an intercontinental ballistic missile pulled randomly from its silo. It was then transported and reassembled at Vandenberg Air Force Base. The missile was not equipped with an actual warhead, it was just a test re-entry vehicle. It traveled about 4,200 miles to a test range near the Kwajalein Atoll in the Marshall Islands. The Air Force stated that the ICBM test launch verifies the accuracy and reliability of the weapon system, but there is no doubt that this test was in a show of force to North Korea. The Minuteman III is the latest version of the Minuteman intercontinental ballistic missile family. These missiles were first deployed in 1970, so it is a very old weapon system. Each missile has 3 independently targetable re-entry vehicles. It can hit 3 separate targets, and each one has a warhead of 170 kilotons of TNT. While the exact numbers are classified, its estimated range is about 8,000 miles. This puts North Korea well within its range. The U.S. currently has 450 operational Minuteman III intercontinental ballistic missiles in silos.